stories are what separate cars from icons, the most celebrated of which is MG, the maker of Britain's finest breed of evocative sports cars. Just one among thousands around the world is the story of Amal Tanna, a story about nostalgia, passion, and the restoration of a dream.
If you talk British sports cars, the first thing that comes to mind is an MG. We've always had an MG in the family over the years. My dad had an MG TC in his younger days, and unfortunately he sold it prior to me turning 18. Probably the only memories left are, apart from a couple of pictures, the MG TC grille that we've still retained and adorns the wall here. A recent purchase of ours had been the MG Hector Plus for a family car, and subsequently I chanced upon an MG Midget which was for sale. I'm Amal Tanna, based in Mumbai, and a classic car enthusiast and a die-cast car collector.
Time, however, hasn't been kind to his gorgeous acquisition, the phenomenal MG Midget, which is a yesteryear icon of everything that made British sports cars so reverential. And to restore this beautiful car to its former glory, there could be no better man than the priest of the classic car cathedral, Marispan Dadachanji. And hey, can a classic car story really be complete without a Parsi gentleman? Marispan lives and breathes classic cars, and having examined the MG Midget and understood Amal's expectations, it was now time to get into what makes classic cars such a romantic experience: the details.
Right, everything out here seems to be in place, at least cosmetically.
Yes.
What I see is aluminium trim at the...
Trim is broken, it will be in one piece running right through. Probably we'll either make one and put, or we can import one. Do you intend to keep these bumpers, or you want to go to the chrome bumper conversion?
So I think if you're being true to the restoration and we're doing an authentic restoration, and it being a left-hand drive with this option not being available,
Right.
we'll probably not going correct to, or we're not doing justice to the restoration.
Okay,
so let's, I would
I
say,
take your call like you always do,
yeah.
we stick to originality. The original color seems to be red in below the yellow.
if it's an MG, I feel it ought to be red, but then we can also check out the other period colors which are correct to it.
Right. That's what you'd call agreeing to disagree, right? And so, with that final detail decided, the MG Midget's destiny was sealed. Was the revival of this legendary British sports car going to be as straightforward as a layer of paint, though? Find out in the next episode.